I'll imagine the audience is shocked when I tell you all we'll be doing a giant old house here in Columbus again.
Hey there, everyone. Dave Barlow here with the gang from Sell for 1%. We got Jay DeBom Barlow and Jay Marinsky Barlow, and we are going to do our House of the Week. And I always like to throw in the little echo, week. And Jay Marinsky, you're going to have our house here. What do you got for us?
Hey there, everyone. Jay Marinsky Barlow here with another House of the Week segment for you guys. And I'll imagine the audience is shocked when I tell you all we'll be doing a giant old house here in Columbus again. Tune in next week as I think I may take a look into a castle in Loveland, Ohio. But for today, we'll take you on a journey through one of Columbus's historic buildings or homes, rather, located at 2427 Tremont Road. So they're in the Upper Arlington Historical District. Rich history, charming features, house is truly a gem. According to the records in Franklin County Auditor's Office, the home was originally built in 1925, though the MLS will tell you 1931. So weird discrepancy there. I'm not sure what exactly happened there. I think 1925-31 doesn't make much of a difference. It's an old house. Prime example of architectural styles popular during that era, featuring elements of colonial revival design and on 1.21 acres with 10,676 square feet to spare. The home does not fall short on space. From the elegant columns framing the entrance to the symmetrical facade, the home exudes timeless elegance. And obviously, stepping inside, you would be captivated by the size and historic charm. Original hardwood floors, intricate crown molding, vintage fixtures keep the character in the early 20th century. It also includes 7 bedrooms, 5 full baths. So finding a room to call your own wouldn't be very difficult in this home. Doing some further research on Wikipedia, this house has had several notable owners throughout its history, including local business leaders and prominent community members, though I did not go too much deeper into that. And let's not forget about the 1.21 acre outdoor space. The backyard shows you the Scioto Country Club. So having 1.21 acres and having the Scioto Country Club in your backyard is a peaceful retreat for anyone. So Tremont Road in Upper Arlington, a host to a lot of historic homes there in Upper Arlington. And hope you guys found this one interesting. As you drive down, if you see that giant house, there's a lot of them over there. They're on the corner of Tremont and the golf course. There are also some new ones they built over there, actually. Anyway, this one is historic, 1925, 1931. If you guys know, comment below, but meet us next time as we go over another House of the Week here in Ohio. Thanks, guys.